Hey hustlers, Miles here. In today's video, let me explain how I made over $1,000 in one day on Etsy. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, on this channel we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. So let's get to the topic of the video. So I'm going to quickly flip the screen so you should be able to see my Etsy dashboard so you can see exactly how much I made in a day. Again, I want to be totally transparent with you on the channel. That's why I share my results and actually show you my dashboards. So does this happen every day? No, of course not, but that's the goal. There is a number of things that contributed to me having this success in a day. Good designs, obviously good keywords, but the main thing is pricing. If you can see on the dashboard, I made 30 orders that day, which if you work out the average by dividing the figure I made per day by the number of orders, you'll see that my average per order is around $30. 30 orders a day isn't a lot by most people's standards. However, if I was pricing my products, say around $15 to $20, in order to make $1,000 a day, I would have to make around 50 orders, which is obviously a lot more per day. Just as easy to sell a product at a higher price as it is to sell at a lower price. The only difference is you're just going to be attracting different buyers. So how do you come up with a price for your products? A lot of people just sort of they have a look around at what's going on in the marketplace, how much they feel. Whenever you price your products for whatever, regardless of whether you're doing Etsy or whatever sort of endeavor you're following, there's a baseline formula that you should follow. And what's that formula? The formula you should use, and write this down, is wholesale price times by 2. So whatever it costs you to manufacture, or in this case because we're running a print on demand company, whatever it costs you have to pay to Printful, at bare minimum you should price your products at double that. So if you have, let's say, a t-shirt costs you $10 from, let's say, Printful, you should at least sell it for $20. In some cases you may even be able to times it by 2.5, 3, or even 4, I've seen in some cases. It just depends on the quality of your products and how established your brand is. So I hope this gives you more incentive to price your products high. Again, there's so much benefits to pricing your products high: less customer service, less problems, and of course you make more money from less. It's a lot easier, as I said, to make 20 or 30 sales a day than it is to make 50 or 60. So by upping your price, you increase the odds of you having a brilliant day online. So there you have it. Thought I'd film this quick video for you today to help you guys out. I will be putting out my next update next week regarding my progress with Etsy and what I've been doing, so watch out for that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment sections if there's any pricing strategies you follow that help you. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.